We're here to really give support to the mother, the chaplaincy service and the police involved, and all elements of the police, the Community Security and Safety Branch, working with the family as well as the school to give support. And the other side of it, of course, we have all elements of the police involved to track down the perpetrator of this brutal act. It's a tragedy, but an extreme act of brutality, and we have to find that perpetrator of this. So all the investigating teams are on and taking advantage of all this technology available to ensure we can find the perpetrator. And we'll not rest until we find and bring them to justice and bring closure to the issue, which will help the family to at least live through this painful time. There are two other siblings, a little one, 4-year-old, who of course will require support, and will be missing his sister for a long time. The 16-year-old will seem more stronger, but is the one that requires even greater support because she fully understands what's happening and will ensure that they'll not only be this short visit, but in the medium term, the kind of professional counsel required for the family will be provided. I think the elements of the chaplain service will be going to the school and working with the school as well. It's a primary school, so the entire school is feeling the pain and hurting. We're going to work and do whatever is required to give support and find the perpetrator.